In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil change service soon indicator on a 2021 Mazda CX5. This will also work on many other Mazda vehicles. It's not the easiest process if you know what you're looking for. It took me a little while to figure it out my first time. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use the little wheel here and you're going to press the home button. Once you press home, the screen right up here will pop up like this. You'll turn the wheel to the left and the right. First thing, I thought it would be in settings, but it is not. You're going to go to information on the vehicle. Once you go to information, you're going to use the wheel to turn it to the right to go to vehicle status monitor. Then you're going to go down to maintenance settings. And it looks like, you know, this vehicle has an oil change due in 447 miles. And then what you're going to do is go down to reset service interval. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to use the little wheel to scroll to the left to get to reset. Click down on that, and now the service interval has been reset. And then you'll notice now that the indication on the dash is no longer there. That's all there is to it. If you know what you're looking for, not too bad. Please subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Give the video a like if you thought it was helpful, and comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.